In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to your eBay seller setup. Whether you're a seasoned eBay seller or new to the platform, getting your payment settings up and running is a crucial step. Let's walk through the process together to make sure you can receive your funds smoothly. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. If you haven't already signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials to access your personalized dashboard. Once you're logged in, head over to My eBay and click on the Selling section. Alternatively, you can directly navigate through the Seller Hub, which is designed to streamline your selling activities. Now that you're in the right place, look at the top menu and click on Payments. This section is vital as it handles all your financial transactions on eBay. Under this tab, you'll see an option for bank accounts, or it may be labeled as Add/Edit Bank Account. Select this to proceed to the next stage. You'll see a button labeled Add Bank Account. Go ahead and click this to begin the process of linking your bank account. Adding these details ensures that your earnings from sales go directly into your account seamlessly. You'll need to fill in some crucial information about your bank account. Make sure to enter the bank name, account type, whether it's a checking or savings account, the routing number if you're in the United States, and of course, your account number. It's important to double check the details to avoid any errors that might delay your payouts. After entering your bank details, eBay might need you to verify ownership of the account. You can do this in one of two ways. First, eBay might send small test deposits to your bank account, which typically takes 1 to 2 business days. Once you see these deposits, you'll confirm the amounts to verify your account. Alternatively, in some countries, you have the option to log in securely with your online banking credentials for instant verification. This is especially convenient as it speeds up the entire process. Once your bank account is successfully verified, eBay will begin sending your payouts directly to this account. This step completes the process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, growing your business on eBay. So, that's it. You've now linked your bank account to your eBay seller setup. By following these straightforward steps, you're ensuring that your transactions are handled promptly and securely, letting you manage your eBay sales with ease.